Sirena, harness the power of nature.
All right, what makes Sirena always leading product and something great to have? It's most people, they always complain, you know, oh my God, I have so much dirt and I can't get rid of it, and I vacuum and it seems like I can't get it off and I have to go down and pick it up. Or especially if you've got pets, the vacuum ends up smelling like a pet. We love our pets, but you know, it's always a problem getting the pet hair and so on off from off the floors. The best part is change the vacuum, don't get rid of the pet. And I know that a lot of people, they've been using vacuums that work either with bags or filters or central vacs or canisters for a very long time, but I'm going to tell you water vacuums are the solution. The best part, you put a little bit of fragrance as well in the water, eucalyptus, pine, apple, tropical, anything you would like. I put a little bit of eucalyptus already in the water. So we gotta do the vacuuming, and the best part, it's the house is going to smell like eucalyptus. So you plug the power head, and here we go. Everything is gonna be off. You almost don't even have to go 2 strokes on the stuff. This is salt here. There's nothing worse than salt. Winter salt. If this thing picks up winter salt, it will pick up anything off of your floors, ladies and gentlemen. 1 stroke. The power head is designed for ultra soft carpet as well. If you've got the new carpeting, Sirena is your answer. There you go. As you can see, there's no lying, no messing around. Everything goes straight into the water. And here's the best part. All I can smell is the eucalyptus. And in seconds, we are done. Take the machine off. And this is why Sirena, it's one of the best products to have. Everything is in the water. All the sand, all the salt, everything is at the bottom, as you can see. And again, you just take it, dump it out, and it's out of your house, and you have a beautiful clean rug. You have kids, they could be jumping on it, no problem whatsoever. You know that you took the dirt out once and for all.